Alright, so in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use your emotions to your advantage. Now, a lot of you might be saying, but sharp-minded, I know to control my emotions. But do you know to control it in a productive way? Answer in the comments below if you do. Anyway, I'm going to teach you now. Let me give you two examples. The first example will be about Jim. Jim was a young man who has been conditioned all his life to be in touch with his emotions. But he was so emotional that he couldn't control himself. When he felt angry, he just cried around and did nothing productive at all. When he feels sadness, he just cries about it and does nothing about it to change. Is this you? No. For example 2, this is going to be about John. John is a man who has been conditioned the same way as Jim, but he was different. He didn't take the advice. Yeah, he felt emotions, but he had the advantage to do something productive in his life. He felt angry. He used that anger to work out. He felt sadness. He used his sadness to write his final assessment for school. Now, a lot of people can relate to Jim, including me. When I was a little kid, I was emotional and soft, and you know what happened to me? I got walked all over by people, like a floor mat. People didn't respect me. They thought I was harmless and useless. When I got older, I got tired of being a floor mat, being walked all over. Then I used my emotions to motivate me to do the right habits, which led me to my self-improvement journey. What I'm trying to say is that if you use your emotions the right way, it can be powerful and life-changing. Let's say you're being bullied by a kid that's bigger and stronger than you. What emotion do you feel? Probably anger, right? You can use that anger to hit the gym or do calisthenics. You'll get stronger and stronger until eventually you're stronger than him and he'll leave you alone. That's the power of emotion. So, the moral of this video is that you can use all the emotions as jet fuel to excel at life. And also, I just want to say thank you for sticking to the end of this video. I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you got any value from this video. And also, hit that little bell to be notified. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.